They say Sri Lanka means island of resplendent beauty. Stephen and I traveled to Sri Lanka in late January of 2020 to see for ourselves. And the ancient name is absolutely accurate. We saw elephants and fed them. We saw a tea factory. We jumped in a private waterfall pool. And we took the most beautiful train ride in the world. Really, that's what it's called. The travel guides that you meet at the airport in Colombo will try to talk you out of the train ride, but don't let them. The 6 hours traveling from Kandy to Ella through the mountains of Sri Lanka was a feast of the eyes I'll never forget. This is where we woke up the next morning. Seriously. Amazing! This is the process of drying tea leaves. It's very complex. We saw a Buddhist temple under construction, but even so, they still made us take off our shoes to enter and asked the ladies to cover their legs. We took a hair-raising road up and back down the side of a mountain in a Jeep. We saw majestic waterfalls. And found our own swimming hole. We saw monkeys, then saw more of them. We climbed to the top of a mountain, and we couldn't stop staring. This is Sanjeeva, our hotel host and day trip guide. Sri Lanka is also called the jewel of the Indian Ocean. And having spent 5 days in this gorgeous country, we could certainly see why. Did I mention the food? Delicious. Almost before we'd even begun, it was time to leave. And even the drive back was resplendent.